this anti-fountain Savox. So I want to introduce the gear machining area for you guys. There's a gear machining area in Savox. So first, I will show you the gear machine. So we can here to show you this raw material for the gear. And then we put the raw material in the machine. You can see there is a raw material, and this one is after the gear machining. This one is a raw material. And then we use the electronic pressure to join together with the two gears. So you can see here, here's a raw material, and this one already have gears. And then we will show you the electronic pressure to control the joint. And then after they join it, we'll make another gear machine in here. We will show you the difference. So this one is also the raw material, and this one already machining the gear. So this one is an electronic press machine. So we will use this one to control the joint. They have a certain pressure need to be matched. So first, we put the gears, and then put on two buttons to control your hand is safe. And then you can see the green line. They will show you how much pressure for your gears, the joint. And here is the gear. For the Savox capability, we also can do the helical gears. So it's not only do the normal gears, and this one is show you the helical gears. So the machine can turn in the certain angle to make a helical. This one is all house-made machine for Savox. So we own more than 100 machine, the gear machine, to making the gears. So if you need to know more for the gear machine, just let us know. We will show you. Thank you.